Oh, no. Try again.
This time I will get some pins.
Yay, that's a strike.
Now I'll get the ball. You sit up the fence ring you like a triangle.
Okay. I can put all the red ones in the back.
And put.
There you go. Whoops.
You ready?
Yeah.
Look in.
No, you go ahead. Whoops. Oh. Oh, here, try again. Whoops.
But Daddy,
What?
now you have to set the pins back up for me.
No, you got to get the spare first.
No, because you have to do it 2 bowling times.
You have to get the spare first. Let me clear the pins. There.
Okay, I did it 1 time. Now here it goes.
Whoop.
Now I did it 2 times. Now time to set up back the pin.
Oh.